Hey everybody, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is gonna be awesome. Super happy today. If you guys could already tell, it is my birthday and I don't know who did this to my car, but whoever didn't have enough wrap. So yeah, whoever it was, thank you. So much fun coming from work and seeing this. But yeah, I'm really excited. It's my birthday today. But what I'm mostly more excited about is this. This is a exhaust cutoff by Maxon Performance. So awesome. So all you have to do is just weld this on to your pipe anywhere in the car. And basically this goes here and it turns on with the switch from the inside of the car. Super awesome. It's just normal, quiet, drivable in the street, and then a switch of this button right here, that one right there, you got instant just loudness, flames, all kinds of that good stuff coming out. Backfire. It's gonna be so much fun. Super cool to have. You know, when you're just seeing like cop going by, turn that switch, guys. But then when he's gone, boy, you already know. So yeah, it's gonna be super fun. I'm super excited. I've been waiting forever and it just came in. But let's see what we can get started. Hard to see like this, but oh well. Got the car already here. That would be my resonator, and then the cat back down over there. Before I do anything, I gotta check it to see if it works, and let me go do that. Yeah, right here would be a good angle to do that. I'm gonna have to test it to see if it works, turn it on, because what if it doesn't work? So that's the thing what I should do first. Test this right in here. Okay, it's got some light there. Ha ha ha, boy, we in business. Okay, so it just has one mode, which is perfectly fine. That's all I need. Yeah, it seems to be working pretty good. So there it is. Just basically welded in from right there to the rest of the resonator right there. This ain't good. My pit collapsed, guys. My car almost fell in there, man. All right, guys, welcome back. There's so much to explain, I don't know where to start. If I'm watering, I got something stuck in my eye. But anyways, the footage that you guys saw is basically my cutoff. It's actually me trying to put the cutoff on the car. So I'm taking off the mid pipe and I'm trying to figure this stuff out. But what happened was the day before it was raining. Look at this, not good. It collapsed and luckily my car didn't fall in. It was starting to crack. And it was a mess. I didn't catch that on video. I should have, but it just completely ripped apart. So I had no choice but to take my car to the shop and they were able to weld it on. They didn't wire it. I'm about to do that right now, but they welded it on and everything, and so it looks good. I'll show you guys. There it is, guys. That's my cutoff. It's welded on to my exhaust system, as you guys can see. And it's wired right there. So I was testing it out for a few days, how it would work. As you can see, I have the wire just coming in into my 12V, port, my phone charger port, and it worked and all. But the problem was this: the is300s, for those of you that have is300s, know that you have two of them. My goodness, I can't talk right now. One of them wasn't working back over here under the armrest, and for the longest time I was trying to figure out what was going on. I was checking my fuses, nothing worked, and I figured out that inside here, that's the port I'm talking about, it was stuck inside there. That's why it wouldn't work. And so I was pissed. I was like thinking, what's going on? So it's working now. As you can see that light? That means we're good. I have to take everything apart just so I can get to this right here. Right here, all I gotta do is move this out of the way. So now I can basically get my electricity from there and I can power up my cutoff. Cutoffs are amazing, guys. my car's pretty quiet, but when I turn on that cutoff, ooh, it's a whole new different beast, guys. Around 3,000 RPMs, super loud, nice and drony. Just fun to have, you know, when you want to just have a different sound in your car without removing your muffler and stuff like that. So all I gotta do is put it in, which will come out to the interior of the car. Oh, I dropped it. So it didn't fit. So what I did, I took a file, I filed it down on the edges so it would fit. Put this back in. Now will be a good time to clean it. Pretty good. Before you guys be talking smack, trash, whatever, no, this is only temporary, okay? Please do not think I'm gonna leave it on there for more than a week or so. It's going to be temporary. I will be fixing it. So yeah, not gonna be doing the zip tie job. It's pretty decent. I wish I could extend it, and I possibly can. That's what I'm still thinking. I might end up putting it here. I kind of like the feeling of reaching underneath the seat and just, you know, mysteriously turning on something. But basically what I did so far, I had enough wire, so I rewrapped it here on this side, and so it's coming in from the outside, so that's already connected, and there's my 12V charger there. So all I have to do is put these screws back in there, then put this part back in here already, put this back in here, just like that. Put everything back together, and that's simple, that easy. I just gotta put another zip tie. Oh my goodness, guys, I totally forgot to put this on. You know what that means? I have to take everything off. Just what I needed. Something I noticed too, that this light bulb little bracket keeps coming off. Supposed to be right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and glue it there, so that way the sensor could just come on and off much easier without this whole piece coming off. Alright, so she's all finished. Gonna go test this baby out. Gotta go put some gas anyway, so I'll go around the block. I still haven't put the center console only yet, the shifter, because it's still not dry, so I'm gonna wait another maybe hour or two. When it's fully dry, I'll go ahead and put that back in there, but I mean everything else should be working pretty fine. So let's go do a test drive. On. You guys can hear that pretty good or not, but it's pretty quiet. So I'm on 4th gear, and now we're gonna do the exhaust cutoff. Alright, there it is. We're still under 3,000 RPMs, and that's what we have, guys. Huge difference. I like it. Oh yeah. See 5th gear? I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there's a huge drone underneath my feet. I can feel that vibration. Oh, that feels good. Yeah, that feels good. I don't know if I'm giving you guys a good angle or not, but it's really trippy to drive standard and record at the same time, but things just in your ear. Woo! Yeah, baby! Yeah! I like it, guys. I like it. I really do. I'm not gonna go too crazy here for my neighbors, but you get the idea. So to watch this. Alright, there we are. We're back to being stock now. Super quiet. Oh my goodness. Compared it to, it's like a huge night difference, guys. Wow. Alright, let's do this. Woo. I'm gonna turn that off, man, boy. Dang. Wow. Yes, it works. Such a difference, guys. I totally recommend it. Sorry for having making so many more videos, but again, for the giveaways, give us some time. They will come in. The gifts are gonna be coming in pretty soon. You guys are gonna like what we got you guys. I did open my Instagram account finally, so if you guys want to add me, I'll put it somewhere here or in the link too in the description. But yeah guys, that's about it for this video. By the way guys, you guys are gonna want to make sure you guys watch the next video. The is300 got a new, should I say it? Or I'll just tell you guys. We got a spoiler for the is300. Which one it is, what kind it is, we will not tell you. You have to watch the next video. So something that I've been wanting for a long time, and so we got it. It's in here somewhere. I don't know where Josue put it in. It's gotta be in the storage rooms or somewhere, but be sure to watch that next video guys. So till next week, bye. Hey guys, everybody! Just want to say, who's ever in the
Happy New Year's, all of y'all.
Oh yeah, he forgot to say Happy New Year's.
I'm here.
What was I gonna say?
Just had some bomb food.
Yeah, we just had some really good food. The place is called.
Shout out to best friend.
What's it, Nephi? What's this place called, Nephi? Wasabi on Fire. I so recommend it. It's very good. They put on a good show, guys.
There you go.
Blow it, bro. For all them locals in Fresno, Madera area, Central Cali, super good. And we just had a business meeting and went super well. We had a few events that we want to plan out. We're gonna be doing Las Vegas. We're gonna be doing LA. So stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be awesome. Nephi said, "What's up?"
What's up? It's cold.
It's gonna be probably one of the bloopers. So catch you guys later. This, I don't know what video this is gonna make it to, but it's just a little throw out there so you guys know what's up, what's going on, guys. 2019 is gonna be awesome, so we'll see how it goes later.